If you're looking for wooden pieces that add just a fantastic touch to your home, Karen Burke, founder of JC the Carpenter, has what you want. She'll say I mustn't call her Auntie Karen, so I won't call her Auntie Karen. Hi, Auntie Karen, I joke. Good morning and welcome to Smile.
Thank you.
I don't know, I never knew that this was all of what you did. Well, tell me a little bit about how you made the transition. You had a career in banking. How did this come out of banking?
Well, I still have a career in banking. I'm a credit risk consultant, but I do this full-time as well.
Wow.
I used to do woodwork. I started woodworking as a hobby, and it was really my way of relieving stress from the corporate world on a weekend. So I would easily be in a hardware store on a weekend looking something to make. And so this was born, and a hobby turned into a business.
Why the name JC the Carpenter?
Well, I started the business in February because I felt like the Lord was leading me in this direction, and it was a leap of faith. And I got the name JC the Carpenter, which means Jesus Christ the Carpenter, because he's the master carpenter of our lives. And so what better name for a company than JC the Carpenter?
Tell me a little bit about the inspiration behind my favorite piece here. Can we take a look at it? This is a chair that you crafted. I don't know how you managed to do this one at all, but it's fantastic.
Well, the inspiration is I wanted to create something that is elegant and also very functional. So it's an indoor-outdoor piece, which means that it can stand up to the elements, rain and the sun, and it folds. And all the hardware that is used on it is stainless steel.
So if you take this piece here and leave it outside as maybe a porch piece, that's okay?
That's
like it will not be damaged by the weather?
No, it will not, because the wood that I use is treated lumber, and it's also finished with an exterior grade sealer.
That's fantastic. And tell me a little bit about these pieces that we have here.
Okay, so these are some of our desktop pieces, and we have different categories in our products. There is the inspirational category. There are two pieces here, the As For Me and the other one.
Your Asia here word.
And there's also a category for men. We don't leave our men out.
So we have the man cave.
The man cave category.
Man cave. In this day and age, we put in our corner, but I joke, I'm kidding.
And there's the uniquely Jamaican pieces, which are the pieces that use our Jamaican proverbs. So this one, as you say, you soon know how water walk up pumpkin belly.
That's right. This now. You've got to speak to me about this one.
Well, these two are the creme de la creme of our collection.
So it's a functional handbag?
No,
like
this is a functional handbag.
Oh.
So yes, I can actually demonstrate with this one.
Oh,
so you
awesome.
see, this actually has, you can hold your keys, phone, right? And the other one is a clock. So
you don't carry this anywhere?
No, you don't take that anywhere. This is just a clock. And the handles are solid wood. This is designed to be more functional, so the handles are leather.
Carryable,
right?
You can carry that one around.
Yes.
So, all right, I noticed that we have all these wall pieces on that side.
Yes.
Thankful, and that one comes as a series. You have grateful, thankful.
Yes.
Suppose I want something commissioned. Is that something I can call you and get
Absolutely. That's one of our biggest categories, customized pieces. So we pride ourselves in creating pieces based on person's color scheme, the aesthetic that they want to blend in with. We also use favorite scriptures or any favorite sayings.
Yeah.
So the piece, for example, that says, "He shall be like a tree," we've done several of those customized pieces. So instead of he, it would say, "Sakina shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of waters."
That's fantastic. And I noticed that you incorporated the use of the coins,
the red money.
What we call red money, with them not use anymore, and the bank not. But it was lovely.
Yes.
The use of it was fantastic. All right,
you.
you know what I'm going to ask you now, right? Because Jamaican people are very concerned about their pockets.
Yes.
Just stop it. Bank of Jamaica, stop take them. Them not say them stop take them. Tell me a little bit about the range and cost, because you know, so we have to be concerned about that part. And we can't come to you with the red money.
Correct. The pieces are
correct.
The pieces are affordable, starting from $2,500 for the smaller desktop pieces. Yes. So, for example, the handbag is $18,000. The handbag clock is $18,000. And the other pieces you see on the side over there range from $6,500 up to $10,500.
And then commission pieces would be judged on...
Correct, based on the number of words, etc. Exactly.
Well, that's fantastic. How can I contact you? On Instagram? Are you on Facebook? Where are you?
Instagram, jc.thecarpenter. email info@jcthecarpenter.com, and we are also we have our own website, www.jcthecarpenter.com.
Wonderful. Suppose people overseas want to order, is that a possibility as well?
Yes, it is. Our website is a commerce website. We are just in the process of activating the shopping cart, and we ship internationally.
Great.
And may I also mention my number, 876-856-8445.
All right, guys, you heard it here. Go and check her out. Her website is up and active. She can give you all the information you need. And these pieces are a wonderful addition to your home. It's lovely. 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 Thanks for coming, Auntie Karen.
Thank you.
Founder of JC the Carpenter, Karen Burke. Guys, we're going to go for a little break while I peruse, and we'll be right back to continue the show. Don't go nowhere. We'll still come.